All right, this is the read aloud for the Newton's second law quiz. Number 1, which scenario best illustrates Newton's second law of motion? A, a book resting on a table. B, a car slowing down due to friction. C, a balloon releasing air and flying around the room. Or D, a person pushing a shopping cart with increasing force, causing it to speed up. Number 2, if an object's mass is increased while the net force acting on it remains constant, what happens to the object's acceleration? A, the acceleration increases. B, the acceleration decreases. C, the acceleration remains the same. D, the acceleration remains the same. Number 3, a 20 kilogram object is subjected to a 60 Newton net force. What is the object's acceleration? A, 1 meter per second squared. B, 2 meters per second squared. C, 3 meters per second squared. Or D, 4 meters per second squared. Number 4, why does a heavier object require more force to accelerate at the same rate as a lighter object? A, because heavier objects are less affected by gravity. B, because mass and force are inversely related. C, because mass resists changes in motion due to inertia. Or D, because acceleration is directly proportional to mass. Number 5, the diagram below shows 2 different forces acting on a box being pushed across the floor. The total mass of the box is 10 kilograms. Based on this information, what is the acceleration of the box? A, 3 meters per second squared to the left because the force of friction slows the box down. B, 3 meters per second squared to the right because the applied force is greater than the force of friction. C, 5 meters per second squared to the left because the forces are opposite and not equal. Or D, 7 meters per second squared to the right because the applied force is much stronger than the force of friction. Number 6, 4 students measured the forces acting on different objects. The mass and the acceleration of each object are recorded in the table below. Which object experienced the greatest applied force? A1, B2, C3, or D4? Number 7, there's a diagram that is showing for 2 different problems. Only answer number 7 for this problem. Which scenario results in the greatest acceleration of the object? A, B, or C? Number 8, use the same diagram but only answer question 8 this time. Explain why the scenario you identified results in the greatest acceleration. Scenario A results in the greatest acceleration because it has more forces from both directions acting on the object. Scenario B results in the greatest acceleration because it has a larger mass. Scenario C results in the greatest acceleration because it has less mass. Scenario C results in the greatest acceleration because it has the greatest net force acting on it. Number 9, 4 objects and their mass and acceleration are listed below. Which one requires more force to move? Object 1, 65 kilograms at 5 meters per second squared. Object 2, 65 kilograms at 10 meters per second squared. Object 3, 10 kilograms at 5 meters per second squared. Or object 4, 10 kilograms at 10 meters per second squared. Number 10, an object that has a mass of 50 kilograms is accelerating at a rate of 12 meters per second squared. What is the new acceleration if the force on the object is doubled? A, 600 meters per second squared. B, 1200 meters per second squared. C, 100 meters per second squared. Or D, 24 meters per second squared.